Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with damp, towel-blotted hair so product absorbs rather than slides off. Once done, warm 1 to 2 pea-sized pumps in your palms. This activates the texture agents and prevents clumping. Make sure to spread the product through roots to mid-lengths using fingertips, working against the grain for even coverage. You're starting the structural hold now, not finishing the style, so use light pressure and check both sides. This approach gives consistent distribution and preserves natural movement while building a base for styling. Once you've built that base, you shape and define. You should pick either fingers for a textured look or a wide-tooth comb for smoother lines. Both preserve the product's finish. Apply a small additional dab only to stubborn spots like cowlicks or temples rather than reloading the entire head, because over-application kills definition. Then, blow dry on low while sculpting to set the style. This locks in hold without hardening. Make adjustments with tiny amounts until the silhouette reads right. You finish by smoothing with light palms or a soft brush to blend and remove excess texture. This preserves shine and prevents frizz. Once done, assess hold and tweak with a fingertip, not a full pump for precise control. If the style feels greasy or heavy, shampoo once to reset oils, then reapply half the original amount for a balanced finish. If product separates or smells off, stop using it. Store the jar capped and cool to maintain consistency and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.